Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how we can run Tomcat 11 in Windows. I will be using Windows 10 operating system. First of all, we have to download the Tomcat. To download the Tomcat, visit tomcat.apache.org/download 11.cgi. Currently Tomcat 11 is in beta version and it is not advisable to run the production application on Tomcat 11. So we will proceed with downloading the Tomcat 11 zip file. Users of Tomcat 11 onwards should be aware that as a result of move from Java EE to Jakarta EE as part of transfer of Java Enterprise Edition to Eclipse Foundation, the primary package for all implemented API has changed from JavaX to Jakarta.star. This will almost certainly require code change to enable applications to migrate from Tomcat 9 and earlier version to Tomcat 11 and later. So they have released a migration tool, and you can also use the migration tool to migrate your previous application to. Tomcat zip file is downloaded. I'm going to move this. I'm going to move this into. I am moving this to a new folder in my machine. You should already have installed the Java on your machine to run the Tomcat. Now the file has been moved here. I'm going to extract the file, and it is extracted into Apache-Tomcat-11.0.0-M24. So I will go into this directory and then into the bin directory. Copy this path and open the terminal. Go to this directory, and here you can see the files that comes with Tomcat 11. To run the Tomcat 11, you should have Java already installed. In my case, it is Java 22. To run the Tomcat 11, type Catalina run. Now the Tomcat is starting. So it is started in 1582 millisecond, and the port number is 8080. So I will go to the localhost colon 8080 and press enter. Tomcat 11 home page is displayed. This is displaying the current version of Tomcat, which is 11.0.0-M24. So this is in beta release, and you can use the Tomcat to migrate your application and test on Tomcat 11. But since this is in a beta version, it is not advisable to use this into the production version. So this is a server status. This requires a username and password. We are going to see the examples that comes with the Tomcat. So these are the examples that comes with the Tomcat servlet example. So there are so many servlet example here. This is for hello world, which is printing hello world message on the browser. If you want to see the code, you can go here and see the Java code. So basically this class is hello world class, which extends the servlet class, and there is a get method which simply prints the HTML output onto the browser. Similarly, we have a request info class. Similarly, we have a request info servlet, which is printing the request information. You can see the code here. So actually this is getting the request.get method, request.uri, request.protocol, request.pathinfo, request.remote addr. So in a servlet, you can use the out.println method to print the content onto the browser. So this is a cookie example. So this example shows how you can set the cookies into the browser. And there is a new servlet 4.0 trailer field example that you can click here to execute. It is printing the response should include a trailer field. You can go to the home page and see the application. These applications server status, manager app, host manager are actually password protected. And these are the quick start of Tomcat. It comes with the documentation as well. If you want to go through that, if you want to learn, you can go through the documentation that comes with the Tomcat, or you can also find this documentation on the Tomcat homepage. To stop the Tomcat, just press Ctrl C, and there is another command with the name startup, which runs the Tomcat in a new window. So you can see it is started Tomcat. You can see this started Tomcat in a new window. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.